expect me to just Minecraft survive even though I haven't done anything. I'm doing right now. I'm actually gonna see how far I come during. So, like always, we're going into survival. Games I yet to play. Start YouTubing, I should say. But thanks to him and let's continue. Oh my goodness. So Psychopathic JJ said I should make a part 3 of my Minecraft survival, and I am going to make a part 3 now. So just a few changes I have to do. Just give me a second. But yeah. And just usually go back around because reasons. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let's get in. Okay, back. Looks like it's daytime now. Looks like it's daytime, and there's a cow. I heard. It's a cow. I'm just gonna deal with my sword because don't run. Don't run, cow. I need to eat. Okay. Gonna go like that. And now, okay, I'm not gonna mess with this fox because reasons. Hi. Because if I kill this fox, a bunch of random other foxes are also gonna die. By the way, I just cheated one time because I'm still very nonsense at the game and I'm still looking for a village, but I can't find one because the game didn't like me. Sooner or later we'll find a village, but also sooner or later I'll make a part 4 or make a series. I don't know. But comment down below if I should continue or shouldn't I. I'm using mobile, so there might be lagging going on, but not lagging like my voice or I'm talking fast or it's breaking, but please, it will get better. Anyway, look, the poor sheep died. Okay. So yeah. Gosh, chicken. Okay. That chicken just came out of nowhere and started staring at me for no reason. I'm gonna collect some of these pumpkins because of reasons. Wait, there's just something I have to fix in my settings. I'll be back. I'm back. I just had to fix some of my settings. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this spot because I don't trust this place. So I'm just gonna keep running until I find a village. Ah, it's just leading me to the ocean. I don't wanna be in the ocean. I can dig down, but I'd rather find a cave. But I still need redstone for the. I still need to get redstone for the torch to create the torch for life. If I'm gonna go down into a cave, so. And you can only find redstone in a cave, so. Or not only in a cave. If you dig deep enough to find some redstone. But for now, it looks like we're gonna be just looking for a village. And hopefully, if we do find a village, hopefully there's oh, redstone in that village. Cause yeah, chicken, don't run, don't run. Why? As soon as I pulled out my sword, I started running. Yeah, I'm gonna. Go. No, I'm dying. No, no, I'm dying. I'm dying. No, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. No, I wanna swim up. I don't wanna. I saw coal. I got too excited. Oh my days. Okay. I'll. I'm back. Sorry it took so long. Yeah, I got good news by the way. My father's new car, we just managed to fix it. So we basically now got 4 cars, I should say. Let me just store some of this stuff in my inventory quickly.
Good news, dishes, come on.
Yeah.
Jij moet toch met dat attitude met mij, no?
Okay.
I don't like that, yeah. I see. I'm going to, yeah.
Brownie. They're using it to wash the car. I'm just gonna go into creative quickly because I just wanna fly because all my days are gonna fly and I need this thing. I don't look like I see anything. Well, I'm gonna keep flying till I see a cave, but I'm not gonna go into that cave. Yeah, I'm gonna keep flying until I see a village because yeah, I need one urgently. Come on, spawn. Sorry it's taking so long. Ooh, desert. Turtle. It's a turtle. But I'm gonna leave it alone because, yeah. So I don't murder animals. Yeah, I don't murder animals. I totally don't murder animals. I'm an innocent guy. I totally didn't murder those cows back there. Yeah, I'm an innocent guy, man. Don't fight with me. I'm innocent. Okay, guess I'm gonna go back to survival now since, yeah. Okay, back in survival. Now, I dig. No, it's fine. Yeah, anyway, that would be the end of part 3 of this video. But I will be making a part 4. So like I always say,